Hello, Divine Souls. So I was thinking about an email that I was going to compose for my tribe, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to share this with everyone because it's so profound. So I was working with a new client, and we were working on her dreams. And so this is going to be about how to manifest your dreams. You've been going about it the wrong way. So most of us are like, oh, I want to manifest my dreams. I'm believing in my dreams. However, if you think of the term dreams, there's two problems with this. One, dreams could mean your dreams in your nightly sleep, and your subconscious mind probably doesn't want to manifest the majority of those, so it might put a block there. Two, dreams seem so far out in the ethers that they don't even seem like they're real. So one of the things to do is to write a list and say, my dreams, and then write out what your dreams are, and then create a mantra that says, my dreams are coming true. What this will do in your subconscious mind is your subconscious mind now has a direct map to what dreams are, and you will have more clarity on what it is that you want to manifest and what specifically your dreams are. So again, writing out a list, my dreams at the top, and then I would start with maybe one or two really amazing dreams that you have. And that way you keep it short and simple. And then when you say, my dreams are coming true, from now on, your subconscious mind knows what dreams you're talking about. You'll be able to feel it in your body. And the feeling is what creates the manifestation of your dreams. You become a magnet and you attract that to you. So I highly recommend that you try it. I hope that you enjoy this tip. I love you all so much. And I hope that you all have a beautiful day.